Hey, what's going on today, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. And today I have something real special for you. We're gonna knock out a pork brisket. See you in a second.
Barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. But we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. And today, we're gonna knock out a pork brisket. That's right, I said a pork brisket. It comes from the same area of the pig that a beef brisket is. So it's a working muscle.
Is that about right here?
Yeah, it's a working muscle. So let me throw my punch and I'll show you where this working muscle is. Alright? So if y'all haven't noticed, man, I've been gone for a minute. I've been out at lacrosse tournaments with my son. So now we're back together. And hey, the show's gonna do big things.
I thought he had a contract dispute.
Man, it was a contract dispute. I guess y'all finally got it right. But actually, I know we call it barbecue bourbon and blues, but this today it looks like it's just gonna be a barbecue show. I don't see no bourbon. So today's sponsor is brought to you by Fast. We gonna do this show real fast, cause we ain't got no liquor. And I'm about to put my foot on.
Hey man, no, ain't none of that gonna be going on.
Don't worry about it, man. I always stay prepared just in case you lack it. Got me a little.
Oh, you bought yourself a pint. You done bought yourself a minute.
That's a half and half. That's what we call it at the barbershop.
Yeah. What you got? Is that some old Jack?
Old
Jack Black.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
I stay prepared.
Well, I'm just doing the rest of my bottle kids for I get to popping new stuff. That's all you need to know.
Come on.
But all right though, so this pork brisket, as you can see, it's small. It's just like a beef brisket. You got your thinner end here that's flat, and then you have your fattier side here. That's the point. Now this thing weighs in at about 2 pounds less, and you can't get these unless you have a good butcher or you're real good buddies with a butcher, because they hard to come by, man.
Okay.
Pork briskets. So we picked these up from our buddies over at Porter Road
Butcher Shop.
Yeah, right here in Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay.
So we gonna get into it, man. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do too much trimming to this thing. I'm just gonna, if I can pick it up, I'm gonna knock it off, and then we're gonna season it up, get it on the smoke. All right. So I'm just gonna take my little knife here. I can pick that up. So I'm just gonna get it off of here. But I'm not gonna go digging into the meat, okay?
Just gonna skim off the top.
Just gonna skim off the top. You know about that, don't you?
Skim off the top.
All right.
Didn't he once say when he was working at McDonald's that he was mad about working on the fries because he needed to work on the cash register where he could make some money?
Yeah, what he said, he can't make no money unless you working the register.
You gotta be able to work the register in order to make some money. or take some. You know.
Oh, Lord.
I got paid every day.
Oh, Jesus. Y'all forgive him, all right? So I'm just gonna knock this little piece off here. And then we're gonna start seasoning, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna start seasoning right here on this backside. Get it with a little kosher salt.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit it with a little coarse black pepper. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little honey hot, okay? By Meat Church.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, Meat Church. California, right?
Uh,
Where is it from? What state?
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna get this coarse black pepper on here to start building a bark. All right, and I get that on there first because I can see how much salt is on here. All right, then I'm gonna hit it with this honey hot, just for the color. Give it some good color here. All right, so
Pat it in.
Pat
Don't
it
rub
in.
it in. Don't ever rub it in. Pat it in.
that's right.
Pat that thing.
So I got this side done. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna repeat the process, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll see you back in a minute.
All right, barbecue bourbon and blues with the Word Brothers.
Without no liquor.
Just barbecue and blues with the Word Brothers.
All right, here we are, y'all. We're back down here doing our pork brisket today on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. We got this thing dialed in at 250. We using hickory wood chunks. We're gonna get it on here. All right. As you can see, that thing's looking pretty right now. Got my chef's temp controller right here. It's gonna keep up with the temp for us, the internal chamber temp, as well as our internal meat temp, and I'll also probe it as well. So we got that done. I'll catch back up with you in a minute. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends and family. We really appreciate that.
Set up me a GoFund so we can get some bourbon in there because he's slipping on his job.
I just got back in time. I ain't slipping. He shouldn't have
Slipping on
drank
your
it all.
job.
See, I've been gone for about 3-4 weeks. He been drinking all of it while I've been gone. I ain't buying no more.
Killed 4 bottles last week.
Yeah, so it's up to him to get his own bourbon now. All right, I'll catch back up with you in a minute.
See y'all later. It's hot out here.
Off the grill, make a boat. Back on the grill. All right, welcome back to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers and my brother KO. We here. We got this pork brisket here. I had it bolted. Now I'm about to cut into it. Ooh.
Who cooked that there?
That would be big word. As you can see. You see that?
See them juices popping.
You see it. All right, so we got our point. I got my flat end right here. I'm just gonna slice a little bit. Thank you to Porter Road for hooking us up with this. All right. I'm gonna take this piece right here, bro. We gonna split it, all right?
Alrighty.
All right. Cut that in half like that, though.
Let me get my little half
Yeah,
right
get your
there.
little half. As you can see, it has a nice bark on it. You can see the smoke ring.
Nice little juices.
You can see how juicy it is. All right. Now let's take a bite.
Mm-hmm. That's a winner right there.
Yes, sir. So what you gonna do? You're gonna get your pork brisket, hit it with your 16 mesh pepper or your coarse black pepper, whatever you got. Hit it with some kosher salt. I hit mine with a little Meat Church Honey Hot, and I sprinkled a little conservatively with the garlic jalapeno, because that's one of my favorite rubs by Heath Riles. And as you can see, it came out perfect. I love it. It's nice and juicy, as you can see. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers and my brother KO.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button,
Comment, share,
all that.
yeah, and meet us at our pop-up. It'll be coming soon. Details coming soon right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you're out of town, you can drive in for it. You can do a pre-order and drive in if you want to, all right? But we'll catch y'all back later on another episode. Peace.
Hey, before y'all leave though,
Yeah.
what do you pair this with?
What you pair this pork brisket with?
Yeah.
Man, you can pair it with coleslaw. You can pair it with potato salad. It's pork. You know what it is.
But what did the
pay
producer?
him.
What did the producer pay it with?
Sleep.
What knocked him out?
Uncle Ned. He paid his with Uncle Ned. And it didn't go too well for him. That's neither here nor there. We'll talk about that later. You catch that on the bloopers.
All right. Well, thank you for tuning in. This is another episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers and the brother Chris Overton. And we're going to catch y'all later. Peace.